Hi guys, hope you're okay. My name is Marco and I'm here today to talk about how to put your website in a maintenance mode. It's quite simple but very important while you're developing the content in a new website, or in this case in your website, for people not to see the changes you're making through the design or redesign of the website. So the most important thing is that you have a maintenance mode, so when people try to visit your website they will just see your contact details, or saying that you're working on a website and you're trying to develop a great and amazing website for them, so without them actually seeing what you're developing at the moment until you finished the website. And when you finish the website, then you can deactivate, the maintenance mode, take it out, and then the page will look amazing, I'm sure. So the most important thing that you have to do when you work with WordPress is how to install plugins. This is a very simple process, but you need to know how to use it. So you go to plugins and you go to add new, okay, and then here you look for the plugin that you need. In this case, for example, I know quite a good one from maintenance mode. Will I show you? If you just type maintenance, here, and then you have one here that's maintenance by Fruitful Code. And guys, this is not like, I don't make any money from saying this, but actually I really enjoy this one. I like it. I like to use it because it's simple, it does the job, and it doesn't mess around too much with the website. Sometimes some plugins, you need to be careful because they kind of change the code somehow in the back end, and then when you realize it's changing things that it shouldn't be changing on your website. But this one here, it works quite good, doesn't do anything of that, and it's very simple to install a plugin. So if you just go to install now, mine is in Spanish because my customer is Spanish at the moment, and we just working everything in Spanish here, but you'll see it's pretty much the same. Here it just says activate instead of activar, so you just put activate here, you wait for it, and there you go, it's activated already. So if you check here on the tabs here that you have on your left, you'll see here one that says maintenance. Here, see, as you can have a look, and if you click on it, then you'll have here wherever you need to change. You can change a lot of stuff here, and we'll go through everything just for you to have a look what you can do or you cannot do, okay? But first I'll show you how it's looking now, because as you can see here on top, it's already on, because I activated and it's already on the maintenance mode. It's very simple to actually deactivate it. When you finish, you're done with your website, you just press here and it will be off, okay guys? So, but at the moment we'll leave it on and save changes just in case. Okay, and let's have a look here. Let's have a new tab here, and let's put our website. Okay, and the way it's showing now, if everything went according to plan, is that, yeah, exactly. So at the moment we have this picture, amazing picture. I actually like it. I always leave this one. So you'll see that you can change it if you want, but me, I like this one. And then you got it here, wherever you want to say. So at the moment it's saying maintenance mode, and the website will be put together soon. But we can change this, and let me show you how. So if you come here where it says in English probably will be maintenance mode activated, so we will change this here and we'll say let's have a look what you want to say. Let's say we are working on a great website for you. Yeah, let's say that, why not? And then we can say the website will be available soon. I'll advise you to put here your contact number, for example, if you need anything, contact us on blah 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 blah, or in your website, which can be, in our case, for example, uh, or in our email we can put, for example, in our case, at, at so click.com. For example, guys, this is a website we use, one of the websites we use for our company. So you can just put wherever you want to put. There you go. Then if you go down here, I'll advise you to leave this the way it is. You know, copyrights of the company you building on in the website you working on. You know, but if you want to change, you can change as well. You can put a logo as well if you want. If you have one at the moment, we don't have one for this company, and I don't feel the need to do it. But if you want, you can always put the logo of your company, of the company you're working for here, and you look amazing. Here is the picture that we were talking about. For me, it looks very nice, but if you want to change it as well, you can. You can change the color at the background as well here. You go through it. You can change the color as well of the text. You know, at the moment is white, but I can put it whatever color I want. The family of the text, you know, the kind of text you want to change, you can put it here. You look like Word, same thing, you know, and all if you go through it, it's very simple, very easy to understand. If you go through everything, you'll see that it has nothing. But to be honest with you, you don't have to change much here. If you leave it simple, it still looks amazing. If you're very into CSS and you like to change the styles with code yourself, you can do it here as well, which is quite nice. I don't feel the need for it, but if you want to do it, why not? You can always do it. So let's save the changes just for you to have a look. Oh, now it's looking now. Let's have a look here. Let's refresh. And yeah, there we go. So we refreshed it, and now you can see we are working on a great website for you. The website will be available soon. If you need, contact us on blah blah blah, or the weather. There you go. And here we keep the company name, okay, which is great. You know, so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I think very simple, as you can see, but very important that you actually use this. Just for people not to see the content that you'll be working on, and maybe sometimes you do something wrong, or you put wrong information, or you're still developing a function of the website or something, and you don't want people to have a look and pick and have a look around. So this is actually very helpful for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, just give us a like, you know, help us do more tutorials for you, and enjoy. You know, we enjoy a lot doing this. We're starting now, but I think it's a good way for us to communicate with you guys, and I think will be a great opportunity for building something new in our company, Universal Click. Have fun.